Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? To my new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support towards this channel. Thank you. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my homemade family pizza. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let's get started. To begin, I started by activating our yeast. Add some warm water into a bowl. Add little sugar. Add your dry yeast. Go ahead and mix until it is well combined. Once done mixing the yeast, go ahead and cover and let it double in size or until it rises, okay? Next, go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients, okay? In a bowl, add the flour, some salt to taste, garlic powder, but this is optional. Stir to combine. Once you are done mixing, create a hole just the way I did here on the screen. Then go ahead and pour in the activated yeast and keep mixing. Add water little by little and keep mixing until a nice and smooth dough is formed. At this point, I use my hand to mix since we are not using any mixer, okay? The hands are clean already, so I'm going to be doing this until a nice and smooth dough is formed. Now the dough is formed, it looks so smooth and nice. Now I went ahead to grease the mixing bowl with some olive oil. This helps to keep the crust tender and moist inside when making pizza. Place the dough, cover tightly and set aside to rise for about 90 minutes or overnight in the refrigerator. Some hours later, remove the wrap. As you can see, it has doubled in size. Now go ahead and punch down the rising dough to release air bubbles. Once that is done, transfer to your work surface and start to knead by hands just like this. But if you are using mixer, you don't need to knead this for long the way I'm doing here, okay? Because mixer has done it already. Keep kneading until it becomes stretchy. As you can see here, I'm done kneading the dough, so I went ahead to spray it out using my hands, then use my rolling pin to roll to my desired size or shape. So here I'll be using my baking pan. You can as well use your pizza pan. So next, as you can see, I have placed it in my baking pan. Next, brush the top with some olive oil. Once that is done, poke holes all over the portion of the dough that will hold the toppings. Yeah, this process helps the dough to cook very well and the seasoning goes into it. Then I went ahead to spray my pizza sauce all over the dough, so you can use any sauce of your choice. and also spread to your desired quantity, okay? At this point, feel free to spread the dough with your desired toppings. So now I'll be topping it up with some salami. I'll be repeating the same process until the pan is filled up and well arranged. Now I added some pineapples. A pizza without a cheese is not yet complete. So look at me sprinkling some cheese on top of this pizza, guys. So I will be adding to my desired quantity, okay? For the next one, this is totally optional. This is pizza seasonings, okay? So I went ahead to spray it on the pizza. Once that is done, transfer the pizza to the preheated oven and bake until the crust is brown and cheese is melted. This is usually 10 minutes, but keep an eye on it. The 10 minutes depend on the thickness of the dough, temperature of your oven, and the amount of topping on your pizza, okay? Some minutes later, our pizza is done baking. Go ahead and remove from the oven. Can you see what I'm seeing, guys? This pizza looks so tantalizing and nice. And let it cool down a bit. Next, go ahead and slice into pieces or to your desired size, okay? It is time to serve. Guys, this pizza tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Honestly, everyone at home enjoyed this pizza. Yeah, this is what we call family pizza. I will be dropping the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Please guys, check it out and try this recipe. You will love it. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Remember blessed. Bye.